Dušená Kachna Brusinkámim. Braised duck with cranberries. A main dish from Czech Republic. You will need 14 ingredients. Step 1. Rub salt into the inside and outside of the duck. Step 2. Melt diced bacon, add butter and fry sliced vegetables and onion. Step 3. Add some water and sliced peeled apples and tomatoes, spices and wine. Then put in the duck and braise it in the oven first with the lid on. Then when it is almost tender, remove the lid and allow the duck to become golden brown. Step 4. Remove the duck, dust the gravy with flour, dilute with water and simmer. Step 5. Add strained stewed cranberries to the strained thickened sauce, reheat and return the meat. Step 6. Serve with dumplings and put a slice of lemon on each serving of the duck. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.